How to reset or retrieve Trust Wallet account password. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can reset or retrieve your Trust Wallet account password. Without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up your Trust Wallet application. Make sure that you are logged into your Trust Wallet account, then tap on settings icon on your bottom right. Here tap on wallets, then go on to the three-dot icon of your multi-coin wallet one. Then you can see the option of show recovery phrase. Tap onto it, read these conditions and check the box that says I understand and tap onto next. And this page will display your recovery phrase. Simply copy it, and once you open the app for the first time again, you will see this page. Here tap on I already have a wallet, then choose the option that says multi-coin wallet at the first, and here simply type in your recovery phrase. Once done, tap on import. And just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.